guys, this is my Bruiser clone build right here. Suspension, everything, main transmission, stretch tires. Yeah, I see a lot of Bruisers on top of the YouTube and stuff like that, the old school Bruiser. So this is mine. It's pretty much almost done. I took out the more springs, so there's more, but this the shocks. Oh, there's more. Yeah, a whole lot more movement. You see that, guys, in the original. This the front. Is the front. See how the front is hard like rock still. The shocks. Some movement. Problem I have, I have to cut this so I can put the battery inside, because the battery touched these now. I'm gonna cut this up, guys. Throw on the glasses. Cut that off. To roll, guys. Ready to roll. Tommy Bruiser Pro. What is up? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, guys, we'll be testing out the Toyota Legend. So there's a legendary frame on top of here. Under here, I mean Grando Legendary, I think, or something like that. The brand is called. On top of here with a Bruiser Toyota body. The old school Bruiser clone bodies on top here. But what I'm having a problem is, what I want you guys to look at, guys, is look at this side shock. The thing goes up and it gets stuck and it won't come down, so the tire just starts rubbing. Why is it doing that? How do I make my shocks not look like that? Look. And look, it goes down. It doesn't even go down. It goes down super slow. I have to pull the shock down. How come I have to pull the shock down like that? How come this doesn't spring back up for, like my other shocks do? So we're going to be running this today, testing it, guys. Got a LiPo battery in here. No brush, this are regular brushless systems, all stock. And wind setup, everything. We're going to be testing out the winds today too. So come on along, guys, and let's test out this new Toyota. Hopefully you guys like the channel. How's it going, guys? We're out here at the beach, Big Island, Hawaii. You know it, you know it. Let's get it. RC Hawaiian. RC Hammers Hawaii, guys. That's the name of the channel. Don't forget it. All about it. So the tires, guys, don't have too much grip. Movement though. Finally guys, we get movement. Ew, this side drops big time. How come, guys? Tires are shitty, guys. It does that. Look, this side, it always goes down and it won't go back up. What the fuck is up with that? It's letting it go down for some reason. Yeah. Speed of that. Tires gotta go. This will be killer with the tires. Tires, I mean the rims is actually the ones. side, no, like fucking go down. So you see what I'm having a problem with the suspension, guys. The thing no like go down. And it stays down, look. See how this side is stuck down? Look, on that side, it's stuck down always. Is this stuck down? Look. Every time I gas it, the thing is stuck. Right, that's stuck down. Stuck again. Look, I'm having problems with my shock stucking like this, guys. And it just stays stuck on this side only. Look. Every time I gas it, the thing is stuck. What the fuck is going on with this side? Right, that's stuck down. Stuck again.